We all out here hustling for odds. Get it how you live, live how you get it. Stay on your grind. You feel me?
I wish that every day that a hustler could make it out the ship. Got my family bills paid, new crib. I wish that every day
I could make 100 bands off the flip by the buildings that we ran through as kids.
I wish that every day
that I could roll it up by the zip. Now a nigga got pounds where I live.
I wish that every day I wish that every day that I popped up clean, K.R.I.T frame. Got my pop this car that's way too fire. Spit flames like a stove, back when it was way too cold and we didn't have it. My mama need a few more minks and some more carrots. I gotta grind, no need for clocking. I know the time, I know you order, fuck that cost. This check is mine. I need the smiles of my family when we pay. When this money ain't a thing, I wish it's every day.
We burning every spot we go, that's our true lifestyle. Our true lifestyle. It's a couple $100 million in this room right now. Make room right now. Brunch at Tiffany's. I got rich off epiphanies. I'm hustling for my pickaninnies. It was written, believe it or not, Ripley's. May your pain be champagne and Hennessy.
Big ballin', shot callin', new foreign, very important. Stack it up when you save it, then you don't spend. Hit it, then I got you saying that you can't go again. New Benz, few friends, couple girls I just flew in.
Listening to loose ends, wanna take my coupe for a spin. Checking they makeup in my new rims. I wish that every day that a hustler could make it out the ship. Got my family bills paid, new crib. I wish that every day
I could make 100 bands off the flip by the buildings that we ran through as kids.
I wish that every day
that I could roll it up by the zip. Now a nigga got pounds where I live.
I wish that every day I wish that every day to pull up on the scene off in Harlem, parlay with my New York fam. What's poppin'?
Like what's happening?
What's shaking?
What's goody? Oh Harlem, pull up anywhere in my jewelry.
You know the secret to success be the motherfucking best.
We already said that,
but that's some shit we gotta stress.
You were the realest motherfuckers alive.
I confess,
you never seen these kicks is concepts.
Blending in with the track like the hi-hat. Stoned every time I rap, put New Orleans on the map. The top goes back if you push the button. I don't really be clubbing, they gotta pay me to come in. I'm an OG now, I be in the house. I got a son too, fool, I can't be playing around. I'm all about the cake, 3 slices on the plate. Made the plastic fork break with my hands, I still ate. But I want more, my appetite can't be tamed. Straight game, 20 thou wild for the plain Jane. Pinky rings clean, that's my cousin Color Supreme. European clip up front on 17. Stay in the cup, the sometime I stunt. We pull up in everything you want. Pull up in everything you don't. Still keep a gorilla in the trunk. Lane to lane, swing, slam.
I wish that every day that a hustler could make it out the ship. Got my family bills paid, new crib. I wish that every day
I could make 100 bands off the flip by the buildings that we ran through as kids.
I wish that every day
that I could roll it up by the zip. Now a nigga got pounds where I live.
I wish that every day I wish that every